Why is ML important and how can it benefit individuals as well as companies? Have you accessed websites such as Amazon, Netflix, etc. for purchasing books and different products, watching films and television programs? Every time you visit these sites, the recommendations of products, books, and movies based on your liking show up on your screen. How does this happen? These websites use ML to churn your past purchase and browsing data in order to predict what you like and thus recommend the items as per these predictions. The term ML has come in prominence in recent years. However, the related concepts and mechanisms have been evolving since years. Machine learning technology has been in existence since 1952. It has evolved significantly in the last decade and has seen several transition periods in the mid-90s. During the 1990s, the data-driven approach to machine learning came into existence. From 1995 to 2005, focus was on natural language, search, and information retrieval. During those days, machine learning tools were simpler than the tools being used currently. Neural networks, which were popular in the 80s, are a subset of machine learning. These networks are computer systems that are modeled on the human brain and nervous system. Neural networks started making a comeback around 2005 and have become one of the trending technologies of the current decade. ML brings a lot of benefits to the businesses in different processes. Take a look at some of the significant benefits, starting with the sales and marketing sector. Simplifies product marketing and assists in accurate sales forecasts. ML helps enterprises in multiple ways to promote their products better and make accurate sales forecasts. ML offers huge advantages to sales and marketing sector, with the major ones being massive data consumption from unlimited sources. ML virtually consumes unlimited amount of comprehensive data. The consumed data is then used to constantly review and modify sales and marketing strategies based on the customer behavioral patterns. Once the model is trained, it identifies highly relevant variables. Thus, it is possible to get focused data feeds by foregoing long and complicated integrations. Rapid analysis, prediction, and processing. The rate at which ML consumes data and identifies relevant data makes it possible to take appropriate actions at the right time. For instance, ML optimizes the best subsequent offer for your customer. Consequently, the customer is able to see the right offer at a given point of time, even though no time was invested to plan and make the right advertisement visible for the customer. Interpretation of past customer behavior. ML analyzes the data related to past behavior or outcomes and interprets them. Thus, it is able to make better predictions of customer behavior. Facilitates accurate medical prediction and diagnosis. In the healthcare industry, ML helps in easy identification of high-risk patients, makes near-perfect diagnosis, recommends best possible medicines and predicts readmissions. These are predominantly based on the available data sets of anonymous patient records as well as the symptoms exhibited by them. Near-accurate diagnosis and better medicine recommendations will facilitate faster patient recovery without the need for extraneous medications. In this way, ML makes it possible to improve patient health at minimal costs in the medical sector. Simplifies time-intensive documentation in data entry. Data duplication and inaccuracy are the major issues confronted by organizations wanting to automate their data entry process. This situation can be significantly improved by predictive modeling and machine learning algorithms. With this, machines can perform time-intensive data entry tasks, leaving the skilled resources to focus on the other value-adding duties. Improves precision of financial rules and models. ML also has a significant impact on the finance sector. Some of the common machine learning benefits include portfolio management, algorithmic trading, loan underwriting, and most importantly, fraud detection. In addition, according to a report on the future of underwriting published by Ernst & Young, ML facilitates continual data assessments for detecting and analyzing anomalies and nuances. This helps in improving the precision of financial models and rules. Detect spam easily. Spam detection was one of the initial problems solved by ML. Till a few years ago, email providers made use of rule-based techniques to filter out spam. However, with the advent of ML, spam filters are making new rules using brain-like neural networks to eliminate spam mails. The neural networks recognize phishing messages and junk mail by evaluating the rules across a huge network of computers. Increases the efficiency of predictive maintenance in the manufacturing industry. Manufacturing firms have corrective as well as preventive maintenance practices in place. These are often costly and inefficient. ML helps in the creation of highly efficient predictive maintenance plans. Following such predictive maintenance plans minimizes the chances of unexpected failures, thereby reducing unnecessary preventive maintenance activities. Helps in better customer segmentation and accurate lifetime value prediction. Customer segmentation and lifetime value prediction are the major challenges faced by marketers. Sales and marketing units have enormous amount of relevant data sourced from various channels such as lead data, website visitors, and email campaigns. Accurate predictions for incentives and individual marketing offers are easily achieved with the help of ML. Savvy marketers use ML to eliminate guesswork associated with data-driven marketing. For instance, the data representing the behavioral pattern of a particular set of users during a trial period will help businesses in predicting the probability of conversion to paid version. Such a model triggers customer interventions to better engage the customers in the trial and also persuade customers to convert early. Recommends the right product. Product recommendation is an important aspect of any sales and marketing strategy, including upselling and cross-selling. ML models analyze the purchase history of a customer and identify products of customer interest from the product inventory. The algorithm identifies hidden patterns among the items and groups similar products into clusters. This will enable businesses to make better product recommendations for their customers, thereby motivating product purchase. Take a look at the benefits of ML through some interesting real-life examples. We all experience ML in our day-to-day life without actually realizing it. Most common instances are spam detection by our email provider and image or face tagging done by Facebook. Gmail recognizes certain words or patterns to filter out spam. Facebook automatically tags uploaded images using image or face recognition. Many people wish to understand the behavior of the stock markets on any given day, But machine learning algorithms are becoming more efficient at this. Many prestigious trading firms use proprietary systems to predict and execute trades at high speeds and high volume. Many of these rely on probabilities. Even a trade with a relatively low probability, having a high enough volume or speed, can earn huge profits for the firms. Humans cannot possibly compete with machines when it comes to consuming vast quantities of data or the speed at which they can execute a trade. Machine learning is getting better and better at spotting potential cases of fraud across different fields. PayPal, for example, is using machine learning to fight money laundering. The company has tools that compare millions of transactions and can precisely distinguish between legitimate and fraudulent transactions between buyers and sellers. The way Google and its competitors are constantly improving their search engine is perhaps the most popular use of machine learning. Every time you execute a search on Google, the program watches how you respond to these results. If you click on the top result and stay on that web page, the search engine assumes that you have got the information you are looking for and the search is a success. If, on the other hand, you navigate to the second page of results or type in a new search string without clicking on any of the results, the search engine understands that it did not fetch the results you wanted. The program learns from this and delivers a better result in the future. With this, you have come to the end of this module. Click the